Regardless of whether you're a business owner or wishing to become an entrepreneur, getting things done is essential for your success. Lifestyle, discipline, and technology are all important when trying to develop a habit. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be talking about 13 ways to be more productive as an entrepreneur. So here are some productivity techniques to help you be more efficient. Number 1. Create a to-do list and make sure you write it down. Give an outline of your to-do list with your tasks ordered from most important to least, and set deadlines. To-do lists will help you structure your tasks and organize your priorities. Fortunately, with smartphones, you can take your to-do list with you wherever you go. In using digital to-do list apps, you can write down things like, remember the milk, so forgetting to buy groceries is no longer an excuse. As you're starting to use these to-do lists, I strongly recommend going for simple and easy. Number 2. Unnecessary things should be eliminated. Essentialism is all about making the wisest possible investment of your time and energy, and thus operating at our highest point of contribution by doing only what is essential. The disciplined pursuit of less is essential in Greg McKeown's book, Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less. In his New York Times best-selling book, Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less, author Greg McKeown mentioned, essentialism is a mindset and a lifestyle. In order to accomplish the most important tasks at hand, you must first weed out the things that distract you and can therefore concentrate on your core objectives. Number 3. Try using an LMS program, Learning Management Systems. We should make learning available to those who want it instead of expecting people to seek it out. Quoting Elliot Mazie, if you want to be productive and successful, you should never stop learning. It's essential to stay abreast of the latest market and technology trends by continuing to do research and learning. Cultivating an education-based work culture spurs productivity. Fortunately, there are a variety of e-learning options available for business owners and entrepreneurs who want to increase their skills. To be sure, there are a great many learning management systems that supply training programs for team members. Measuring progress and performance using an LMS will yield the desired results. In the long run, you need to make sure that the appropriate LMS platform helps your organization become more productive. Before we go further, be sure to subscribe to the channel and to check in the description my best recommendation for helping your mindset to reach success. Number 4. Get some rest whenever you can. Work and rest are both virtuous. Each has its place in life. If you do both, you can't fail to notice increased productivity. Alan Cohen further stated that taking short breaks while working increases our overall productivity. They provide an opportunity to refocus. Different activities give different amounts of energy, but the activity you're engaged in must give you energy. For some people, this could be something as simple as getting some physical activity or eating a healthy snack. For others, it could be meditating or hanging out with friends, but not on social media. Whenever you feel as though you're not accomplishing much, stop whatever you're doing and consider recharging yourself. Number 5. Find ways to take advantage of technology. Many things affect productivity, such as your attitude, your sleep habits, your health, your stress, your communication, time management, and task complexity. Luckily, you have the technology to take advantage of that. There are a lot of apps that are available for increasing your productivity and enhancing the efficiency of your business and team. As a supplement to your mindfulness practice, there are apps that offer guided meditations. Meditation helps to relieve stress, allowing you to work more productively. A sleeping app. When you don't get enough sleep, your health can be adversely affected. You won't be able to concentrate properly if you don't get enough sleep. Fitness Buddy. An app to help you with your workout routines. A regular exercise routine will increase your energy and reduce your stress levels. Any app to keep track of what you eat. A healthy diet contributes to both a healthy body and healthy mind. To help your business and your teams, Slack, a software that makes it easier for your teams to communicate. Failure of communication means inefficiency. Send Task, a task management and team collaboration application. You'll benefit from using a task management system, which can help you plan, organize, and manage your workload. Google Drive, a tool that allows you to have all your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in one place. You can better organize your organization, communicate more effectively, and boost your team's productivity with Google Drive. Time Tracker, a time tracking application. Efficient time management enables you to complete more tasks in less time. Number 6, remind yourself of the why behind your business. Give yourself an extra push and do the same for those around you. When you have a cause you believe in, reminding yourself of why you started your business can provide an uplifting boost to your personal and team morale. Put yourself in the shoes of the people you help and how you can make their lives easier. Additionally, your employees and their families who are supported by your employment may be counting on you. Whether you make a profit or not, multiple people are better off because of your company. If you and your team can constantly think about this, then it will result in substantial productivity gains.